We're gonna make some s'mores popcorns. Chocolate popcorn with marshmallows and graham. We have this product by Gold Medal. It's the chocolate, it's the frosted popcorn mix. We're gonna use this in the, just like we would make kettle corn. We're gonna use about almost a cup and a half of this for the amount of corn that we're going to be popping. The instructions on this says use half the amount of corn that you're popping, use for this. So if you are popping 20 ounces of corn, you'll use 10 ounces of this glaze pop. Then what we're also going to be adding is these golden grams here. This is what we use for the graham crackers. This is just makes it easier. They're smaller. They taste just like the graham crackers, but they're a little bit sweeter. And we're going to get started, and we're going to basically fire up this kettle corn machine and pop our popcorn like we normally would pop kettle corn. But instead of adding sugar, we're going to use this chocolate. So let's get started. All right, we got some corn in here. We got the oil going, and we're just heating this up. Get it nice and hot, get it start popping, and then we're gonna add our chocolate frosted thing. Tell me when. All right, here we go. We got the popcorn popping. We're gonna add our chocolate frost, Gold Medal. Let's get that in there. That should actually drop the temperature just a little bit. And here we go. We'll let it get popping again. And we'll get ourselves some nice chocolate popcorn. Oh yeah, you can smell the chocolate. It smells really good. A lot of these Gold Medal frosted product, it always foams up like that. That's perfectly normal. When you use the caramel corn one, it does the same thing, and any of the other ones, it kind of does a little bit of a foam action. All right, I hear it starting to pop again. Oh yeah, you can really smell the chocolate now. Popcorn flying around here shortly. And now we'll start to sprinkle our marshmallows on there. Alright, so we got a nice mixture of marshmallows, chocolate popcorn, and golden grams. And that's how we make s'mores.